recording? Oh no. Okay. So, I forgot we're recording. First of all, this is the news. I'm gonna let y'all see this.
That's how you win. A state as close as Florida.
Is y'all
on
watching?
margins like that, and if you come over here, 55-43, so 12 points almost.
You know, if we go statewide,
Biden's winning, kind of.
That's 7 right there. You want to
Sorry for
statewide
y'all
now.
Trump
We'll see if
fans,
it changes
but
again
Biden, I
if we
like.
fall.
this is where each candidate is overperforming.
All right, y'all. So, I'ma say this. You know, I hadn't made any Justice 2 videos. I've been slacking on the game. I've been like playing it. So, y'all would get no video. But, I was like, man, sleep. How about I just make the video? Dude, I was like, dude, how about we just do the video? And I was like, no, man, no. And no cap, we gonna make one. This weekend. Halloween suck. I'm just letting y'all know. Halloween suck. And looked at Rob. I know what you're thinking, like, where's the staffing crap? You'll see that in a minute. So, let's see what we got in here. What? Whoa. Y'all might not see me, but I can record in here. Really, you see, this is my office. It's bright in here, ain't it? It's like sunlight, but it ain't. I'm just letting y'all know I'm in the bright area. So where any light you see, it's not that much of a deal. Now this, yeah, I know, it's a bright area. That's why my skin tone looks like I'm golden. Yeah, I know. So, I ain't sleep. Alright. So, this is what I'm showing y'all right here. This is the set I've been working on, because I've been busy on it like all day. That this set right here was the most gentlest one I have to do, because like I could have broke everything, so, and then like you could just jump out and then alright, y'all. So he is gliding right now, as you must see. So then you see Penguin. Now this was, I would say, 5 minutes. Now this one took me almost about 14 minutes to get, about 30 minutes. Oh God, it almost took me about 30 minutes to do this, so, yep. You see this set right here. Now, I know, but you see that? That's flames coming out. And I've been working on this set for about yesterday. I'm gonna make this quick. Y'all, my dad calling me food. Alright, you might see this. Gotta make my video. Wait a second. This is a Batman head, I believe. Batman, yeah. And, yeah, I'm gonna make this video quick so my dad does not get mad at me. He calls me, following me. Bye. bye, y'all. Cut this out. Peace out. See you later.